Today I'm going to show you how to make a vanilla mug cake. This vanilla mug cake is such a delicious treat when you are home alone. All the ingredients mixed inside of a mug and then it cooks in the microwave. So let's start off with 2 tablespoons melted butter with 1 egg. Mix well. Then add 4 tablespoons white sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla, stir well to combine. 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Fill your mug with batter. The cake will rise quite a bit as it bakes, so make sure your mug is not too small. Then microwave it for 40 to 50 seconds. Just be careful not to overbake, otherwise it can turn a bit dry. And it's done. If you have not made this yet, you are 100% missing out. A scoop of vanilla ice cream on top is super delicious, or you can also add just a little frosting with the sprinkles. Just quick and easy with perfect result every time. Save this recipe and be sure to try it soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.